Yo, does being blonde get you girls?
I don't think it does too much for me.
You be getting girls?
No, I'm locked in. I have a girlfriend.
Oh, you have a girlfriend?
Yeah, I've been locked in for a while.
You know, worst comes to worst between me and you.
Nah.
Nah.
There's definitely no worst come to us.
Cause I got a girl, but
Really?
it's not real though. You know what I mean? It's real, but it's not real. Between me and you, no.
Is this between you and I?
Between me and you right now?
Do you like her?
I love my girl. That's my one and only girl. But between me and you, I love my girl, but you know, feel me?
Nah.
Like you love your girl?
I love her.
Between me and you though.
Between you and I love her.
Okay. You gotta get out of here, man. Get out of here.
See you later.